पेटी के अंदर एक भयानक आत्मा है।
Hello guys, this is Jawhar and today I am heading towards Vasai KTM. I am going for a showroom launch of KTM DUKE 390 in Vasai. So many subscribers are coming. So this is Naigaon. Yes, I stay in Naigaon. First I am gonna meet my subscribers. Then I'll leave for Vasai. I was not supposed to go for this launch, but one of my friends, he works in a KTM showroom. He invited me for a launch, so that's why I'm going. Actually this launch is not very special for me because I've seen the bike a week ago. I rode to Jawhar with all the KTM owners. If you haven't checked my last video, that is KTM Orange Ride, so please go and check out that video. I'll put the link in the description box below. Please देखो. Yes.